waste disposal aspect only
Yes.
for making the bricks. So other than that, the quantum is so huge, and no, we are perplexed to find out more usage avenues. We
Okay.
are trying our level best, and if you can throw some light, we'll be grateful to you.
Actually, in fact, I am happy to know about that. Muri. We collected the sample from Muri also, because there is contrast between this Nalco red mud and your Hindalco at Muri. Because Nalco they are doing for the wet disposal system, and your it is your dry disposal system. And the use also I found your is somewhat granular. I mean the particle size more. That way also we tried to use as a substitute for the sand of the red sand.
Correct.
And regarding the brick also that I will say you that I will share with you, if you give me that I will share you mine that our findings. Actually we try to as a academician we try to publish in papers. So journals we published in a very good journals with impact factor around 5.715. So very good journal. So it is there based on your mostly Hindalco and red mud and Nalco red mud, and also it's a coarse grain part. And Nalco the coarse grain was very less. Rather Hindalco it was more. And another thing regarding the bricks, what you said, we tried for the brick. Only problem was the moisture absorption was very high.
Correct.
So that also we checked. So that's why we tried to. In fact, there was a meeting in Mumbai, and one of your scientists from somewhere in Madhya Pradesh, she is in your research group.
Yeah.
So one point I asked to them, everybody is talking about now alkali activated material, and what we need high pH, and your red mud is already high pH, 11 point something and so on. Can you do something? You can add something there, because she is basically from chemistry, PhD in chemistry or something like that. I think why you are not thinking in that line, and instead of putting some extra lime, but it has got the lime portion. I mean something is there, sodium hydroxide, but only thing how to extract it. I tried. What I did, I take water from your red mud pond, you don't have, but Nalco has got it. Water from the red mud pond and put it in the fly ash and try to see whether there is any change, and directly putting the red mud. But the strength is very less as far as, when I am putting as a cemented soil material, some may be possible, not as a high strength material, I mean the other cases.
Correct.
But there is a chance. But the thing is that how to extract that sodium hydroxide. Because I am not a chemist, so I don't know how to extract it, so that if it can be, because in alkali activation, we are adding sodium hydroxide to the fly ash to make it alkali activation. But when I say, if I have got red mud so much, because you are putting some soda.
We tried it with hydrogen peroxide too, with a high concentrated H2O2.
Okay.
So we could get such, but as you said, it is very weak. The stability is
That's why strength
is
is
a problem.
very weak.
Yes.
So that's why
Okay, we'll discuss in depth. Probably that will throw more light.
Okay.
That's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Because that is really interesting, this red mud. Anyway, thank you. Okay. Everybody agree.
Thank you, Professor, for such an interesting and educative topic. And may I now request Professor Narasimhan Sir, one of the senior most professor from the Department of Civil Engineering, NIT Surathkal, to hand over the ICICDM 2018 memento as a token of memory. Thank you, sir.